This insect catcher is by Zevo. You plug it into the wall, and the main reason I'm using this is because I actually burnt out an inverter in one of my power stations that I use for when the power goes out, and I went to go take it apart to replace the inverter inside of it, and there were a bunch of bugs in there. And I think the main reason why this happened was because there was some sort of light in that power station and the bugs were attracted to it. So in this video, we're going to plug this into the wall, and we're going to see how good it does over the course of an extended period of time. Looks like we got the manual. And the unit itself. Alright, so the first step, number 1, it says remove refill from trap. There we go. Step number 2, peel off backing in a continuous motion where it says pull here and discard. Replace refill into trap by sliding into position. Plug trap into an indoor electrical outlet for best performance. Keep plugged in. And then you can rotate it 90 degrees for the convenience. Alright, so I'm going to bring this downstairs in the basement and show you. Boy, does that shine a lot of light. I guess that's the intention of it though, huh? Alright, so here it is right here. I just want to show you how effective this is. Not only are you going to see bugs in there, but you are going to see something else, and let me show you. If you look straight down, I'm going to zoom in. This is so effective that there is a live spider living in there, just waiting for the bugs to come in so he can catch them. I have never seen anything like that before. That spider is alive. Watch, I'm going to tap it. Watch this. Look, it moved. It moved. It's in there and it's waiting to ambush the bugs that come back into the trap. Look at all the bugs inside of there. So this thing works. I've never seen anything like this at all. So I'm actually getting a 2-for-1. Not only did I purchase this bug catcher, this bug trap, but inside the bug trap is another organic bug trap. That's called a spider. The spider's helping me along with the bug trap. We're getting a 2-for-1 deal here.